The inquiry problem focused on toxic pollutants in the ocean. It firstly looked at the different forms of toxic pollutants, such as the different types of chemicals. Secondly, it looked at how these chemicals can harm ocean life and its ecosystem and the different effects they produce. Finally, the inquiry project proposed questions regarding why toxic pollution is still so prevalent and what actions can be proactively taken to preserve the ocean life and its ecosystem. Due to this inquiry project, I found out that the main forms of pollutants are household waste, metals, and chemical. Household waste includes such items as plastics, bottles, and cleaning products. Metals and chemicals also originate from households, industry, and accidental release, such as oil spills. The main group of chemicals that are entering the ocean are persistent organic pollutants, also referred to as POPs. They are complex compound chemicals that contain elements that remain unchanged in their environment for long periods of time. These POPs primarily enter the ocean through direct pipelines, as water is seen as a solvent and most households disperse some of their cleaning chemicals down the drain. They also enter the ocean through air emissions from homes, manufacturing, vehicles, and industry buildings. Once in the air, it can convert to toxic rain that is absorbed either directly into the ocean or into rivers that flow into the ocean. Plastic bags are another common form of pollutants that are entering the oceans. There is currently about 280 million tonnes of plastic produced annually for various uses worldwide. This amount is so high due to the durability and its inexpensive nature. However, plastic bags are not biodegradable and are harmful to the ocean's living organisms. Plastic is harmful as it is common for animals to get plastic rings stuck around their necks or ingest it. Here is a table displaying the number and percentage of marine species worldwide with documented entanglement and ingestion records. Humans' health can be affected due to the consumption of polluted seafood. These effects include infertility, allergies, developmental and learning problems, and potentially cancer. Humans are also affected in the terms of the function of their community. The Asia Pacific contains a high level of marine biodiversity, and the people who inhabit the Pacific region rely on this marine life for their food, medicine, and income. Here you can see a boy in Manila Bay in the Philippines, scavenging the bay's polluted waters looking for anything sellable. Now Given the scale of the problem and the reluctancy of the governments to lead the way in taking to completely eradicate pollutants entering the ocean, significant efforts need to be continually made by all citizens to place pressure on the government to create some change. It is also the citizens' responsibility to make changes in their daily life to lower their contribution to ocean pollution. For this to occur, continual media exposure is essential to inform the individuals about the detrimental effects of ocean pollution and exactly what changes they can make. Now, here are some examples of everyday changes individuals can make to lower their contribution to ocean pollution. Through completing this inquiry project, I've gained new knowledge regarding ocean pollutants. I was unaware of the history of pollution and the specific details about the variety of pollutants that enter the ocean and the effects they have. I've also gained knowledge regarding how to effectively conduct and present an inquiry project, ensuring it is purely scientifically based.